Destiny is the finish line of your race. Absence of it is the source of frustration and depression. Every created thing has a destiny. Rats, ants, worms, cockroaches, etc. were created for a purpose. God always hides the destiny of a thing in the thing. Hence, a man is hidden in a little boy and a woman in a little girl. You don't go into manhood. You simply become a man because it's already in you. Destiny is established but can be aborted. It is always at the mercy of decisions which determine destiny. Your decisions are personal but may not be private at the end. When destiny is discovered, one becomes bold and free from other people's opinions. Is God's past. That is why birds don't attend flight schools, a fish doesn't go for swimming lessons, and a seed will not attend a tree planting convention, because flight exists in the bird, swimming exists in the fish, and a tree exists in the seed. In the poorest countries of the world, seeds still grow in the soil and birds fly in the sky, because growth and flight are embedded in the seed and the bird, not in the economy. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you.